I'm here for a brief introduction. I would like to thank you for to watch my videos, and today I want to talk about how to um, install a custom ROM on my Cubot Max 3. Um, it's very experimental things. You do at your own risk. For me, it works. I have the sixth version of stock firmware, and I never do any update or any update. It's a stock version, is the first, and this method worked for me. I don't know if it could work to another version of firmware, because I suppose if you had a Nota update, the partition table can change. So to be sure that the process start correctly and everything work fine, I will suggest you to flash stock firmware on your phone before to try to do this. I have done a video before. It's called How to Unbreak Cubot Max 3. It's the same thing. You can do that for flashing stock firmware and have a clean installation and start by the point that I started. So you do it on your own risk, and if something went wrong, remember you could always use SP Flash tool and flash stock firmware again.
Before we start, I want to tell you that flashing custom ROM invalid your warranty and erase every file on your phone. So look carefully this video one time before decide to install or not a custom ROM. I didn't remember where I found ADB, a minimal fast boot program and driver, because I have installed some times ago. So I put in description a link of a site. It's not my site, but it's a pretty awesome site. Has a very completely guide that that help you to install ADB's fast boot and driver. So download these things that you have found in description: VB Meta, MediaTek driver, CR-ROM, command Cubot flash, and boot. Now unpack it and install MediaTek driver. I have already installed it before. Just run as administrator and follow the guide. After that, we have to unpack boot.image, point image, CR-ROM, and VB Meta. So now open and keep open command flash boot. Will be very useful. Now we take VB Meta point image, CR-ROM, and boot point image. We go to cut and we move these three files in our ADB minimal fast boot folder. For me is in C, program file for 86, minimal ADB and fast boot. And we go to paste your file here. Yes, as administrator. We go to rename our system image, CR-drum version, rename it system point image, and we say OK.
And now we go to prepare the phone. We go to settings, system, and click about phone. Sorry, but I don't want to show my email number. So we click on build number. Since appear you are now a developer. Now you go back, and now in system you could find developer options. Click on developer options and flag OAM unlocking. Click enable. And now flag USB debugging and click OK.
So here we are in minimal ADB and fast boot. My configuration works well, so in link down below I share with you the content of my folder, so if you want to overwrite yours with my configuration. So now we could start. Double click on CMD here and open our command Cubot flash that help us during the process. So now we begin. To unlock bootloader with ADB device, press enter. A number of your phone appear here, and you have to click on the message that appear on your phone screen and select hello. So now we write ADB reboot bootloader and press enter. Now your phone reboot, and fast boot mode in white in the left corner down will appear on your screen. And now with this command we unlock bootloader and erase all your data on your phone. We wrote fast boot flashing, unlock, and press enter.
Now a message appears on the screen of your phone. For unlock bootloader, you have to press volume up. Unlocking make your warranty invalid. So I press volume up and I delete every file on my phone. Okay, and now we could reboot normally. We follow
For reboot normally, we have to write this thing, fast boot reboot. And press enter.
our phone will restart, and by now this message appear on the screen. It will not affect on the working properly of your phone, but it's very annoying. I will find a way to make it disappear, but for now is that. Now the system reboot, and we have to repeat what we do before for unlocking the developer option and the set USB debugging. After phone restarting, we had to start configuration, but skip everything because it will be erased again after flashing custom ROM. So we go back to setting, system, and we click about phone, and now we click again on build number like we have did before. We unlock developer option. Now go to developer option, bootloader is unlocked, and we flag USB debugging, and we click OK. Now we plug our phone again, always with original USB cable. We click Hello, task, and we select file transfer. always allow on this computer, allow.
And now we go back to our ADB minimal fast boot open page. So we have to write again ADB device, ADB reboot bootloader, press enter always. Our phone restart in fast boot mode, and we see in the left corner down below fast boot mode in white. And now we wrote fast boot, copy and paste. You do better. This command, fast boot, disable verification flash, BBMeta image. We copy and paste, and we press enter. Do this thing only if you want to have root rights, and only if you have my same custom firmware. This is a custom recovery that works if you install Magisk on your phone when it restarts. So we wrote fast boot flash boot space boot.image is the file that we have put in the folder. And now we have flashed the root to. And now we arrive to the best part, flashing system image, flashing our custom room. We are ready. So before flashing our system image, we have to reboot with the command fastboot reboot. Press enter, our phone will reboot. We wait till our phone will be completely rebooted. And now we go with ADB device, press enter. Now we go to the command ADB reboot fastboot. Now our phone will reboot, but not with the other fast boot mode with the white screen on the left corner. On the screen appear the fast boot D in red. So now we have to flash the system. Remember, there is a fast boot D red mark on the screen, and below reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off is the recovery mode, but in fast boot, red fast boot. So now we go to erase the system with fast boot, erase system, and press enter. Okay, the system is erased. Now we copy and paste fast boot, delete logical partition product app, paste, and press enter. Perfect. Now the last command, fast boot flash system point image. Paste, press enter. We wait, it take sometimes, but it start, and it could take 10 minutes. And now we have finished. The system is flashed, and we go to restart our phone.
Now, with the volume down, I suggest you to enter on recovery, click power button, and select with the volume down, wipe data and factory reset. Volume down and factory reset, power button, OK, and now finally reboot to the system now, and click on power button. The first time boot is more slowly than the others boot. So we wait till the system starts. The phone is started, and you have to know that with root rights you never receive update again. So we go to fix a bug that I know there is in this ROM. It could have others bug, I don't know. The one that I know is audio and Bluetooth bug. So now we go to settings,
and we go to PAH treble setting. We go to MISC features and we flag force headset switch, use alternate way to detect headphone, and force disable A2DP offload. In Bluetooth workarounds, we go to MediaTek because our phone is MediaTek. Now connect to internet. We could see Magisk app on our phone. We click on it and it asks to upgrade to full Magisk to finish setup. Download and install. We click OK. This version is a 26.3 and we go to install. Install version 26.3. Now we open. Requires additional setup. We click OK and after that our phone will reboot and we will have root rights. So that's all. I want to say sorry for the bad quality video. Starting now, I will learn to do better. And thanks for watching. I will click OK and now the system will reboot in 5 seconds.